Nature never did betray the heart that loved her. And I've been witnessing this truth since my childhood. But as I grew up, I realized something terrifying. While nature stayed true, we changed. We built a world of noise to silence our own thoughts. We built walls to feel safe, but we only ended up trapped. Look at us, running races we didn't even sign up for, chasing happiness in places where it doesn't even exist. And the tragedy is, look at what we did to love. Love has become a transaction these days. It's a marketplace now. I give you comfort, you give me time. We trade people like products. Use them, get bored, replace them. We are suffocating under these masks. To survive this, sometimes you don't need to fit in. You need to get out. So, I walked away. Society calls this running away, but I call it waking up. The moment you step out, the path gets difficult. The mud tries to pull you down. The thorns tear at your clothes. It hurts. God, it hurts to leave everything behind. It feels like tearing off your own skin. But ask yourself, isn't this pain better than the fake comfort down there? Here, the struggle is real. The mountain doesn't lie to you. If you slip, you fall. It teaches you to stand up again. It doesn't stab you in the back. You have to choose the pain of the climb over the comfort of the cage. And then the noise stops. Up here, there are no transactions. The wind doesn't ask for a fee. The sun doesn't care if you're a failure or a success. The trees don't judge you past, they just let you be. We think we are alone, but standing here between the earth and the sky, you realize you were never incomplete. You were just disconnected. If you are still listening to this, and if your heart feels heavy, stop looking for answers in the noise. Come back to where you belong. Nature's waiting. The tree was afraid to drop its old leaves. It held on to them tightly because it loved them. The wind said, "Let them go or you will never grow." The tree finally let go and stood naked in the cold. It hurt, but because it made space, spring gave it new flowers.